In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase Salesforce. The first thing you want to do is think through your business needs before you buy anything. This is important because Salesforce offers different products and additions, and the best choice depends on how your organization plans to use the platform. Start by deciding how many users will need access. Then identify your primary use case, whether that's sales, customer service, marketing, general CRM, or a combination of those. You should also consider which features and integrations are essential for your workflow, along with your budget and how much growth you expect over time. Planning this upfront makes the purchase process much smoother. Next, review the available Salesforce products. Some of the most common options include Sales Cloud for sales management and CRM, Service Cloud for customer support and case management, Marketing Cloud for campaigns and customer journeys, and Commerce Cloud for online commerce solutions. On the official Salesforce website, you can compare products, pricing, and additions side by side. Take your time here, because choosing the right product family is one of the most important parts of the process. If you want to test the platform before committing, you can start with a free trial. To do that, go to the Salesforce website, select the Try for Free option, complete the registration form, and then explore the trial environment. This can be especially helpful if you want hands-on experience before making a final decision. Once you understand the product you need, choose an edition. Salesforce commonly offers editions such as Starter, Professional, Enterprise, and Unlimited. Each edition includes a different level of functionality, flexibility, and support, so review the included features carefully and match them to your organization's needs. When you're ready to move forward, and go to the official Salesforce website and choose the option to buy online, contact sales, or talk to an expert. At this stage, you'll need to specify the product or products you want, the number of users, and your billing preference, such as monthly or annual billing where available. If you're unsure, speaking with sales can help clarify licensing and pricing. After that, complete the purchase by reviewing your quote or subscription details, entering your billing information, accepting the terms and conditions, and submitting the order. Be sure to double-check everything before